Hi, my name is Aaron Keeling. I'm one of the directors and writers and producers of The House on Pine Street.
And I'm his twin brother, Austin Keeling, and I also wrote and directed and edited The House on Pine Street.
Yeah, it's a psychological horror about a young woman who returns to her hometown in Kansas after a mental breakdown brought on by an unwanted pregnancy, and she moves into a haunted house, and no one believes her, and it's spooky.
And yeah, the two of us think we grew up in a haunted house until we were about 10 years old. So we had a lot of scary things happen to us when we were kids. So when we decided to make a movie, we just thought, why not make a haunted house movie? And some of that came through into the final film, but otherwise it's mostly made up, so it's not too scary.
Yeah. And this is our first time showing the film overseas. We've had a couple film festivals in the US, but we're here in Spain now, and we're very excited to share the film with a Spanish audience. Hopefully it scares you.
Yeah.